Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial. Hey guys, this is Shayan and welcome to this Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can make money as an Amazon affiliate or as an Amazon associate in 2022. Now, this method works in 2022 and it works seamlessly. The best part is that you can monetize it in different ways that you wish to. Also, you can cater to a free traffic all on autopilot. Now, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a site which looks just like this. You can see it has got its amazing look and feel. It has got all the posts which are related to weight loss. And then again, you can see it has been monetized with different offers from Amazon as well. So that whenever somebody clicks on those offers and purchases any of the products, or as Amazon has it, there is a cookie policy. That is, if they purchase anything else even, then also you get monetized. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this video, because I will set this up on autopilot. That means once you are setting this up today in less than 15 minutes, then you are going to reap its benefit for your lifetime, because everything is automated. You won't even need to log inside of your WordPress ever, and this will continue working for you. Now, again, if that sounds interesting, and if this is the first time that you are into this channel, then please consider subscribing this channel to get more videos just like this, which can help you in making money online. Now, with that being said, we'll quickly jump onto the Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial for beginner in 2022. But before that, I just wanted to tell you something, that we have some amazing gifts and giveaways for you as well. So stay tuned till the end of it to find it out. So let's jump inside of the technical part. So the step number one that you need to perform in order to complete this video is just go over to Amazon.com or any country that you wish to promote. Say Amazon.in for India, Amazon.co.uk for UK, and so on. You can even sign up for multiple countries as well. Now, all that you need to do here is just scroll all the way down. And in here, you can find Become an Affiliate right here, right? So you can just click over this and that will take you to a sign up form where you can register for free, and that will enable you to have a store ID. Now, in case if you have not signed up for Amazon, or if you don't know the process, I'll leave a link in the description, which is a detailed video on how you can sign up for Amazon. So feel free to watch that anytime, either now or after completing this video as well. So with that being said, that's the first step that we need to do. The step number two is the choice of niche. So as you know, Amazon has a large number of products, and there are tens of thousands of products which are actually inside Amazon. So you can decide whatever your niche is. Like, it can be gaming, it can be health, it can be electronics, it can be anything and everything. So you need to choose it depending on what your interests are in, and which offers you the best commission rates and which has inbuilt traffic. So that will again depend on you. Again, you can watch my video, therein you will get a more detailed insight of everything. So with that being said, those are the two first steps that you need to complete before diving in, because from here we will generate an Amazon associate store ID, which will be required in our configuration. So once we have completed these two steps, it's time for us to go over to the third step. Now, for this third step, what you need to do is you can go down on the description of this video and can find the first link, which will actually take you to the Bluehost official site. That should look like this. Now, for creating your website, you need a web hosting and a domain. You can purchase it from anywhere that you wish to, but I have my tutorials on Bluehost. So if you are following me, then it will be helpful. Also, Bluehost is one of the best in terms of services, speed, uptime, and customer services as well. The best part, it's very pocket friendly and it gives you free domain as well. So that can be a great thing for the beginners. Now, with that being said, if you don't have any web hosting right off now, then it's a great time to get in, because currently Bluehost is at a good deal as well. So click the link in the description, come over to this page, and from here you can choose this shared hosting. Just click on host your site, which will take you to this screen. And in here you have the first choice, like to sign up for 12 months or for 36 months, whichever is applicable for you. If you think of long term, then 36 months is a good plan, because it saves more. The more tenure for which you are in, you are going to get all of it at a discounted price. So that's a good way to go in. Then there are 4 plans: the basic, plus, choice plus, and the e-commerce plan. Now, my personal favorite is the plus, because this actually helps you to create unlimited websites and unlimited SSD storage. Now, if you are satisfied with only one, and if you are sure that you are going to only build one website, then you can even start up with the basic plan as well. That starts at a much lower cost. Now, that's up to you, whichever you feel like good. you can proceed with that. Once you are happy with any of the plan, you can just go over and click on this button, select. And in here, you also get an option to have a free domain. So you can just enter the domain name over here, whatever you want, and you can choose the extension of it as well. And then you can click on next, and that will take you to the payment. Now, once you are into this payment page, all that you need to do is fill up this simple form over here. You just need to provide all the information, and you need to provide the billing details. Again, here you will have an option to change it for a 3-year plan as well. So you can do that as well if you wish to. And once done, just remember to untick all these because these are going to have additional cost. So if you like to add on something, you can do that anytime that you wish to. And then once this is done, you just need to provide your card information over here. And you need to just click that I have agreed and click on submit. And boom, you would be able to buy your brand new hosting. But before that, I want to show you a trick. You can just make exit intent just like this, and this will give you a pop-up. But remember, this is going to be a one-time offer. So you need to just click on this claim savings. What this does is that it saves a ton of dollar for you. So now let us go down and see what exact pricing we are having. You can see that the prices have dropped down from 5.95 to 4.95. Now, if we go for 36 months, then we would be able to save 36 bucks. So that's how cool this thing is. Remember to apply this by going via my link, which you can find down in the description. The first link will take you to Bluehost, and from there you can apply this offer to get it at a discounted price. Now, once you get the credentials and you sign in, you will get inside of the Bluehost, which looks like this. And in here, you can just configure your domain. Now, there is a detailed training of that as well. You can find it on my second link. The second link would be a video that shows you how to set up your WordPress. That has got everything like installation of themes, plugins, how to install WordPress, and how to have subdomains. Everything is there. So feel free to watch out that video as well. So with that being said, now we have signed up for Amazon Associate Program. We have selected the niche in which we are going to promote. For this example, it's going to be weight loss. And then we have also bought a domain, which is related to weight loss. And we have also bought a hosting from Bluehost, right? So we have completed this part. Now it's time for us to proceed to the next step. Now, the next step is installing WordPress and installing the necessary plugins inside your WordPress. Now, I have already done it. So let me show you that. As you can see, this is one of my sites, and in here I have installed everything. So I would recommend that once after installing your WordPress, you need to install all these plugins. You can pause this video, take a screenshot. Let me scroll down slowly so that you can get to know all the different plugins that are there. All of these plugins comes for free of cost. Just there is a one plugin for which you need to pay. That is this one, the WP automatic plugin. That is the WordPress automatic plugin. Now this comes inside Code Canyon Marketplace for around 30 or 40 bucks. But I have an offer for you. If you are buying Bluehost via my link, which you can find down in the description, then you are going to get not only this plugin for free, but you will get this entire site. That is my entire site with all these plugins, all this WordPress installation, everything done for you, migrated into your brand new hosting. So if that sounds good, please help me with a like. And for all that you need to do is provide us the purchase receipt on the email ID. Now the email ID you can see on the top scrolling out, right? So nkracademywb@gmail.com. You just need to send us an email over there with your purchase receipt, and we will take it forward from there, and we will migrate our entire website into your hosting. Plus, you'll get a training from us as well on how to set everything up. So with that being said, that was the step that you need to perform. Now we are ready for the main thing. That is, we are going to promote Amazon affiliate marketing via this brand new website. So interested, right? So let's jump in. So now that we have got everything installed and everything in place, and we have our Amazon Associate ID, that is the store ID, with us, it's now time for us to actually dive inside of your WordPress and create the necessary things, which brings us to the next step, which is actually creating the categories. So for that, we need to go over to the post, as you can see over here, and we simply need to go over to categories. And in here, we need to add 3 categories. Number 1 is weight loss post. Right? So what this will be for is we'll be fetching automated posts for weight loss, related to weight loss. How you will do that, I'll show you, don't worry. So just click on add new category. Now, once this has been added, we'll similarly add a couple of more categories like weight loss videos, and click on add new category. And finally, we need to add weight loss Amazon products. So I'm giving this name so that I can remember exactly which categories are related to which things. So just click on add new categories. So now this step is also completed. We need to go forward to the next step, which is the WP, that is the WordPress automatic plugin. So for that, we need to go here and find the automatic plugin right here. And in here, we need to go over to the settings first. And inside the Amazon settings, we need to provide our Amazon store ID. So that's the thing that we need to do. We also need to set up the EZINE article settings. Now remember, from the EZINE articles, it will fetch the post. So it's extremely important that you set this step up. It's very easy to do. You just need to create a Google custom search API key, and that's it. Now, I have this blurred out because that uses my custom API key. And you'd also need to add your YouTube API key. Now, what I suggest is that you can create the custom search key and the YouTube API key, both from your Google Developer Console very easily. So with that being said, once all these settings is done, which would take you less than 5 minutes, then you are good to go with these campaigns. Now it brings us to the next step, which is actually creating campaigns. So for that, we again need to go over to the WP automatic, and then we need to click on new campaign. Now in here, you need to add the campaign. So first of all, WL post, which is weight loss post. And for this, the campaign options, we will select EZINE article as the source. We could have selected anything. There are a ton of sources that are there, but I prefer EZINE articles because they have a good ton of various sources from where it pulls posts, and they are all good posts related to the keywords that you supply. So my keyword here are weight loss. So you can see it fetches the keywords that are related. So you can go for weight loss tips. Then again, you can search weight loss over here, and that will again bring up a ton of keywords that you can use, like weight loss diet. Then you can also go for weight loss. And actually it goes on. You can add anything and everything over here. I'm limiting it to 3 keywords. If you wish to, you can have any number of keywords. Also, you can set this as rotate keywords, which means for each post, it will actually rotate the keywords. So the first post may be on weight loss tips. Then the second post would be on weight loss diet, and the third post would be on weight loss. So that's how this option works. Then you need to set up the maximum number of posts. Now, there are a ton of posts that you can do. So if I go to the extreme end, you can see it's amazing. So we don't want to post that many content. And since this is a tutorial, I am just going to post 10 of it, and you can set it whatever you want to, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, whatever, right? Then don't touch these points. If you go by my recommendation, you can obviously customize, but I don't suggest you to customize any of these. Let it be like this. Just follow whatever I do over here. That would give you best results, because from my experience, I have played around with everything, and I have a few choices that we need to just edit. So just follow that. And once you feel comfortable, just go out, play there, and do whatever you wish to, right? So keeping this all as constant, we need to come over to this images part right over here, as you can see on these images. And then we need to just set all these things. So these are the first 4 things that we need to change. So let's do that. So this actually gives you the featured image. Then it will try to generate a name for the image. So that will be a little helpful for your SEO. And then you need to check all of these things. Then there is a free plugin that you can use that actually helps you to save the space on your server. This is called the FIFO plugin. It's a free plugin. You can download it by clicking here. And that actually allows you to use the image as a link rather than downloading and uploading it into your server. So that it becomes fast, and it has less burden on your server as well. So with that being said, now we should select the category under which it would post. So we have already created a category called the WL post. So just select that. And then you can scroll down all the way down until you find these links. And in here, you just need to strip the link. That means if there are some links that are contained on the original post, that would be the links of the author, right? So that would be their links. We don't want it there. So we will strip the links, right? Then once that is done, you are good to go. So you can just go over here and you can change the timing of the post. So here, right at the top, you can see there is a frequency. So you are instructing WP Automatic to actually post in every 60 minutes. From here, you can control the unit. You can change it to hours or days as well. You can even go for custom posting time. That's up to you. So don't keep it less than 40 minutes or 30 minutes, because that would cause an unnecessary burden on the server. So once that is done, you just need to go over here and click on publish. Now, once the publish is done, you can see the campaign has come over here. So you just need to click run over here. And as you can see, it has fetched a post. That means your campaign has been perfectly defined and it's fetching a post, and it will start fetching it automatically after every 60 minutes. But we don't have that much time over here. So what I'll do is that I will go for ad hoc post running. I'll create 4 posts. So let me quickly do that. So now I have completed 4 different posts, and all of them has been successfully posted. So what I can do is that I can go over the post and go over to categories, and in here I can find WL post, as you can see over here, and it has got 4 as the count, as you can see. So you saw it works perfectly, right? Now in the same way, we are going to create 2 more campaigns. So let's do that. So now again, we are going to go to automatic and click on new campaign, and we are going to name it as WL videos, and we need to again scroll down. This time we need to select YouTube as the source, and again we need to provide the keywords, say weight loss, 3 keywords that I had done while posting. So these same 3 keywords I'll take while creating YouTube campaign. Now you can take 10, 20, 100, whatever you wish to, right? And then again, you need to do the similar setting. Don't worry, there are not a lot of settings to be done. You can here, since this is YouTube, it has some specific things related to YouTube. Like you can search YouTube by the relevance. You can search it by view count. That means you can take up the videos that has the highest number of views. So we can do that so that you can get the best content out of here. Then you can go for video license and do it Creative Commons, because that kind of helps you from any kind of issues, right? There will be any copyright claim or something like that. Then you can go for the video type, and in here you can go for anything that you wish to. So I would suggest you keep it as any. And then you can also go down over here, and you can have a few settings up to you. Like if you want to disable the YouTube logo, you can do that. If you want to enable the caption, you can do that. If you want to set a relevance to a specific language, you can do that. That's up to you. Whatever you like to, you can do that, right? So what I would do for SEO is that I would actually keep the YouTube tags as the tags of my post. So just click on this one. And then once done, we will go down over here. And again, we will have this image settings, the same settings that we had applied the previous time. Now, once these are all completed, we will again go down, and this time we will select the category. So we had defined a category for the videos. So let's select that. And then once done, again, we will go down over here, and we will actually strip the links, right? And then once this is done, we'll again go back and we'll check the scheduler exactly when we want. And once done, we can also change the number of maximum posts that we love to. Now, again, for your, you can keep any. For mine, I am keeping this as 10. So once done, just click on publish, and this will be again done for you. So as you can see, the campaign has been created. So now let's run the campaign and test it. Now you can see it has run successfully. So again, we are going to create a few posts from this. So let's run this on an ad hoc basis. So we have created a few video posts. Now it's time for us to actually create the third one, which is the most important one, which is monetizing your blog via Amazon affiliate program. So for that, again, go over to the new campaign. And this time name it as weight loss Amazon products. So I'm just giving this name. You can give whatever name that you wish to. Just remember that these are going to be used while I'll design the page, so that you can remember what category has which kind of post, right? So this time we will select Amazon, and we will give the keywords like, and so on. We can give anything and everything. Better thing is that you can go over to Amazon, and you can go for a search like weight loss, and you can find what are the trending searches in Amazon. You can take these keywords and then you can apply them onto your WP Automatic plugin as well to get best results. So we can just fit them over here on our keywords, and then we will again set this as the maximum number of things that we want to fetch. Now again, for this tutorial, it's going to be 10. Then you can select this country code, that is amazon.com. It can be amazon.co.uk. It can be amazon.in. Whatever from where you have your affiliate program approved, you can select that over here. Then once done, you also have a great option over here. Like you can provide a custom Amazon search URL as well. That means you can search for best selling laptops in 2022, and you can just have that URL with you. Let me show you that. So what you can do is you can type like best laptop 2022, right? And here is the URL that you are getting. Now what you can do here is that you can filter it by customer ratings. That means you are selecting only 4 stars. And then once you have this, you can just select the URL, copy that, and go over to the campaign and paste it over here. So what that will do is that this time it will only fetch these products, whichever are listed inside of this page. So you can control exactly which products it will fetch for you. That's a great way to do Amazon affiliate marketing. I've never seen such control over automated things. So a great thumbs up for that. And again, if you like this tip, please consider giving it a like and give it a share so that I get more reach on YouTube as well. So with that being said, for this example, I'm not taking this because this is related to weight loss and it has some products. So we'll go down over here again. And in here, we will again do the same things over the image part. And then once done, we will again select the category. So for this, we have already created a category, as you can see over here. And then we will go down over here and we will actually strip the link. So let us do that. And then once done, we just again need to go up here and we need to set the frequency. And once done, we can just click on publish. So you can see the campaign is here. So we can click on run campaign. Now, as you can see, the post has been created, 3 posts from products, 7 posts from videos, and 4 posts from posts. Now it's time for us to actually create a page that will take us to the next step. So let's go over to the page and click on add new. So let us give it a name, say Fitness World. And then once done, we need to just scroll down over here. I hope this is visible. So you just need to change the template to Gutentag full width. What that allows you is to give a full width of the page. So once that is done, you can just click on publish. So that will publish your blank page. Now we need to go ahead and decorate this page accordingly. So first of all, we need to just click on this plus. And in here, we need to search for post, right? As you can see over here. And then we can go all the way down and click on browse all. That will give us all of these different elements that it has related to post. Now in here, we will select post grid. So just select it over here and drag it and bring it here. Right? So you can see it has been dragged over here and it is fetching the different posts. Now what we want to do is we want to make sure that our page is well organized. So first of all, we want videos. So let's click on options. Let's go to show more settings. And in here on the right hand side, as you can see, we just need to scroll down until we find categories right here. On the categories, we can give the category that we had, like WL videos, which was for video. And you could see it works seamlessly, right? So you can see all these videos were fetched. Now, all that you want to do is you want to restrict the number of columns. So if you want 2 columns, you can do that. If you want 3 columns, you can just increase it over here. If you want 1 single column, you can do that as well. So that's up to you. Whichever is looking good to your eyes, you are free to do that. So that was our first part, which is creating the video post. Then we would actually go ahead and create a different kind of grid. This time we are going to create the post grid. So for that, we will again go here and search for post. And again, we will click on browse all. And from here, we will select this post grid and we will bring it over here. And as you can see, the post grid has come over here. So it contains many things. Now we need to again select this and go to these 3 dots and click on show more settings. And in here, we again need to go down over here. And on the categories, this time we will do WL post. So this will actually fetch up the post right here, as you can see. So what we can do is that to separate these videos from this post, we can actually include a spacer in between, or we can insert a headline in between as well. So for that, all that we need to do is go down over here, get this plus, click on this and insert a headline. Here you are. So you can just select a heading. And in here, you can write like weight loss articles, right? And then you can just send it upward so that there is a differentiation between these two, right? And then once all of these is done, you can now monetize your blog. That means once people come to your blog, they will get helpful contents first. They will get videos, they will get different articles on weight loss. And once they have that trust with you, now since these are all good articles, the sources are YouTube, the sources are EZINE article. So there is a chance that they would be impressed with your article. And then it's high time that you would recommend them some product. So for that, what we'll do is that we'll go down again. And this time again, we'll choose a heading. And this time we will do it as recommended products, right? And then we will add another block. And this time it can be a post grid, but we will actually go for a post carousel. So here it is, just click on that. And you can see it has come over here. Now the post carousel has 2 features. So listen to this and watch this carefully. It has an inner circle, right? You can see over here, inner rectangle, and it has an outer rectangle. So make sure that you select the inner rectangle, and then you go to the right hand side, that is the setting. And in here, go for the taxonomy, select this as category, and then you can select the category. So my category is WL Amazon products. So let us select that. And you can see, boom, it comes out perfectly, right? So all of these now contains my affiliate link. So if somebody goes out and reads this, say open in a new tab, you can see it opens the detailed post wherein they can find what it is about, and it has a buy now option. So if they open this, they would land onto Amazon and they would go it via my link, that is my store. So that's how cool things are. And then once they buy, I'll get commission. Not only if they buy this, they can buy anything from now. I'll get the commission because my cookie would be set on Amazon. So that's the great thing about Amazon, because Amazon has built-in trust and people do buy from Amazon more often than not. So if you are even sending some traffic via your affiliate link to Amazon, there is a chance that you will end up making some money as an affiliate. So with that being said, that was it for all the editing and all the things that you needed to do. Once all of these are done, just click on update and your page has been created. Now, I have not finished as yet. There's a last step that I'll show you, which when applied will give you free social media traffic. So for that, we need to go back to WordPress, and in here you need to install this plugin called the Jetpack. This is a great plugin to have. It's free to use. So once it is installed, you just need to go over to the settings, and then you need to go over to sharing. And in here, you need to have this automatically share your post to social network. That means whenever there is some new post on this website, it would be automatically shared to social media networks. Now, with social media networks, that you can decide, right? You just need to click on this connect your social media accounts. And from here, you can actually go ahead and connect your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your Tumblr account, all of these for free of cost. There is no additional cost involved whatsoever. So that means if you have a Facebook page or if you have a Twitter profile, if you are an influencer on those social media handles, then you can just do it just like that. It's just one step away, right? And even if you don't have followers in there, you can grow that easily, because nowadays there is a lot of ways in which you can increase your followers depending on a niche. So you are free to do that as well. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial. If you have, then please help me with a like. And also there are a couple of pro ninja tips that I want to share with you. You can go ahead and submit this website onto Google and Bing Webmaster. That will actually help you to get found out on Google and Bing search, and that will actually help you to get indexed as well. And then you can also go ahead and manually play around with the SEO a bit so that you get better rankings. And you can also apply for Google AdSense, and once approved, you can also fit in the pixel over here to get monetized via Google AdSense as well. So with that being said, I again really hope that you have enjoyed this little Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial. If you have, help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have tried this or if you are facing any problem. I'll try to help you out with that. And the guy with the best comment is going to get a free version of WP Automatic from my end. So watch out for that space and make sure that you pour in a lot of comments so that you stand in a better chance to win. And also, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing this channel to get more values on different ways of making money online and more different tips on creating your websites and making money on different legit ways on the internet. With that being said, it's your good friend Shan bidding goodbye. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. And if you are buying Bluehost via my link, which is down in the description, do let me know on my inbox, right? The email ID which you are seeing over there. So nkracademywb@gmail.com, and we will migrate this entire website onto your hosting. So again, we'll meet again pretty soon. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families. Do keep learning, keep rocking, and keep making money online.